Good morning from day 3 in Dubai. And today we are about to step into, guess what? The future. Behind us is one of the most iconic and mind blowing buildings in the world, the Museum of the Future. This place isn't just a museum, it's like a time machine that takes you straight to the year 2071. Robots, space, AI, sustainability, everything that's going to shape our world tomorrow is inside here. So let's not waste any time. Come join us as we explore what the future might look like. We have stepped inside the Museum of Future and it's absolutely breathtaking. This isn't just a building, it's an architectural marvel designed by Kila Design and built with no internal columns. Yes, you heard that right. No pillars at all. The Arabic calligraphy you see wrapped around the facade, those are actually codes from His Highness Sheikh Mohammed, reflecting hope, innovation, and the future of humanity.
Like everything you see here, I was envisioned by the Dubai Future Foundation and brought to life by storytellers, visionary technologists, and artists from around the world.
To proceed all the way to the front so we can accommodate everyone inside. Welcome aboard Falcon Space Shuttle. You can proceed all the way to the end. Hello, Mr. Falcon Space Shuttle. I'll be the co-pilot today. You can see the windows, sir.
Now, our journey into the future begins, and this is something out of the world. Welcome to OSS Hope, a stunning simulation of a space station orbiting Earth in the year 2071. This experience imagines what life might be like 600 kilometers above the Earth.
Welcome everyone. You are now standing at the Space Station Home, 600 kilometers above Earth. Let's explore the neighborhood. Follow me.
You can use either side of the passage, follow me and aisle. All of the walls that you see here are 3D printed, and floor is made of a space to breathe. Please make a circle around the big larva aquasis hole, on which you will just start it. Do not touch this or any of the artifacts, and do not use flashlights for taking pictures or videos.
One of humanity's greatest achievements.
Station which allows us to track and record live environmental conditions on Earth. You will see that we'll be receiving live updates from Earth from time to time, and these updates will be published in English on that side and Arabic from the other side. Now please gather around this beautiful masterpiece that we have in the center. This is a monument to the Pioneers. It is a giant grand artwork that charts our solar system. It is a gift from the people of the UAE in the year 2016 to commemorate the service and sacrifices made by humans and animals in our quest to understand, explore, and inhabit.
Cannot and will not let this happen. I will drop off for now and I'll be back as soon as your sleep updates. Please
Welcome, Nishant. Nishant, look here. आया पापा आपका वेलकम हमें वेलकम हमें आया ए वाह इसमें योर फेस यू कैन सी योर फेस आई गेस निशान वो देखो
Please stop. Don't step in, okay? You have to be in the corner. Come to the side.
Everyone, the door is opening on the other side. Have a great day, everyone.
Level down. You can take the stairs or the elevator, please. Every time you finish a chapter, just need to go one level down to experience the next one.
From the edge of the space, we now dive deep into the heart of the earth. Welcome to the Heal Institute, a breathtaking vision of how we might restore our planet in the future. This zone looks like a digital rainforest, but it's much more than just beautiful. Here we explored futuristic solutions to heal Earth's ecosystems from endangered forests to polluted oceans. And now we enter one of the most awe-inspiring parts of the Heal Institute, the DNA library. This space feels like something out of the sci-fi films. You are surrounded by thousands of suspended capsules, each one representing the genetic code of a plant, animal, or an organism. There are over 2,400 species stored here, from endangered animals to rare medicinal plants, all digitally catalogued to raise awareness about biodiversity and conservation.
ग्रो हो रहा है, ग्रो होता है। निशान देखो, ग्रो हो रहा है वो करते ही। आप करो, कम या करो स्कैन। ये ऑलरेडी ग्रो हो गए ना ट्रीज।
What makes this experience so powerful is how it blends art, science, and storytelling. You're not just looking at data, you're witnessing a library of life. After exploring space and healing the planet, it's time to focus on healing ourselves. So, welcome to Alvaha, a sanctuary for wellness, mindfulness, and inner peace in the future. Everything here is designed to calm your mind and soul. This station here you see is a circular ambient space where soft light and sound waves pulse gently. But it's not just for show, the waves respond to your movement and presence, creating a personalized experience of sensory calm and deep focus.
Nishan, wait.
So, next we entered a very fascinating part of the museum, which was the connection therapy room. This was a combination of sound and scent, which was designed to help you disconnect from the noise outside and reconnect with your inner soul.
So welcome to another session of the connection therapy. So the connection therapy is a group therapy to connect by using our voices. As you see, there is a microphone in front of each and every one of you. On three, I want you to lean down and start saying, just like hum, hum. Come closer, go louder. Perfect. Now stop humming. That's a form of connection. Now smell your microphone. Smell it, smell it. Perfect.
This is the connection therapy room, and it's one of the most surprising parts of Alwaha. Here we are invited to connect with another person without saying a single word. No phones, no eye contact, not even a conversation. Just simple gestures, movement, breath, and presence. In a world where we are always talking, swiping, and scrolling, this quiet moment felt deeper than most conversations. After the peaceful, soul soothing vibes of Alwaha, we stepped into a completely different world, which was called Tomorrow Today, where science meets imagination. This entire floor is a showcase of cutting edge innovations from around the world. Not just concepts, but real prototypes that are being used or developed right now. Here you'll find everything from AI technologies, robotics and climate saving inventions, space exploration tools, smart health devices, and even food tech for future generations.
What is your
I'm
name?
great, thank you. I'm so happy to see you here at the Museum of the Future.
Nishan, ask something.
My name is Annika. I'm a humanoid robot and I work for the Museum of the Future. I was created in 2022 and since then, the Museum of the Future has been my home.
What I love the most is that this space doesn't just show off gadgets, it makes you think how can technology solve today's biggest challenges. Whether it's tackling climate change, reimagining mobility, or healing the planet, this floor is a sneak peek into a better, more hopeful future. And trust me, even if you're not a tech, you are going to walk out inspired. So, after exploring all that mind blowing tech stuff, we headed to probably the most Instagrammable part of the Museum of the Future, which was the main walkway inside the ring. And trust me, it's even cooler in real life. The walls are completely covered in these massive Arabic calligraphy designs. And did you know the building shape, that hollow circle, actually means the unknown future? Pretty cool, right? And next up, something super exciting for the little ones. We entered Future Heroes, the kids only zone at the Museum of the Future, and Nishant was already jumping with excitement. This place is built like a futuristic playground where there were three zones: imagine, design, and build. And basically, they get to touch, experiment, run around, and use their imaginations with zero screens involved. The best part was parents could chill in the waiting area while the kids were fully taken care of inside.
Hello. Say hello, Nishant. Say hi. Sleeping time.
That's a wrap for today. See you in the next vlog. Till then, keep smiling, stay curious, and keep exploring.